Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, March 20th, 2025. I'm here at Lamb's Yacht Center, and we cleaned Secret Egret earlier this week, but it was at low tide and the conditions weren't great for the keel. So we're coming back out here. We already cleaned up the keel pretty well, so we're going to try and get enough video. There's enough for us to skim the bottom while also being in the mud. So I'm not too sure if we're actually going to be able to see anything again, but I'm going to try. Here we go. Thank you for choosing DS Staff.